How's it going, my people? Welcome back to another trade recap. We ended up taking a loss today. Don't know why I'm on Nasdaq, but yeah, we ended up taking a loss today, which was expected. I even said it in my last what's it called, trade recap as well. 3 wins in a row, 1 loss, still perfect. That's a 75% win rate, but it's all good. It happens. But anyways, yeah, let's get straight into it. So my overall bias for the day was bearish. Why was I bearish? I mean bullish. Sorry, my overall bias was bullish. We swept out this low on the 1 hour. We were in an uptrend, so I was like, you know what, it could go long, but at the same time, I did say it can go short because it could also just not give a shit about sweeping out that all these lows and then just keep going higher. But yep, my bias was long. It ended up going down. So yeah, let's just get into the entry straight away. Today was a pretty, average day. Just a normal trade. I don't feel upset about it at all. Next trade, probably win. Or even if we lose, next trade we'll definitely win. So yeah, let's just get into it. So came down, swept out hourly lows, and we also swept out session lows. Once we swept out those lows, I waited for a 5 minute breaker structure, investment value gap. We got the investment value gap here. And then we came down, filled in equilibrium. Once we filled in equilibrium, I waited for what's it called? Once we filled in equilibrium, I waited for inverse fair value gap or breaker structure. In this case, I did wait for a breaker structure because all these fair value gaps were stacked on top of each other. We got a breaker structure with this candle here, entry there. My break even point was at Asia session highs, and I was targeting the London session highs up there. But yeah, and then we ended up getting stopped out. Stop loss below the second 1 minute low, which is down here. First one, second one. This wasn't a low. This was actually a bullish candle. But yeah, and then price just carried on just moving a bit sideways, and then New York session hit. I think that was news. It just dropped down. But yeah, guys, that's about it. I feel like the trade recaps keep getting shorter and shorter, but I just want to get out of the way, get it done with. um. But yeah, if any of you guys are doing trading, you're not alone. You could do it. Don't listen to anyone that's saying you can't. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time I trade.